Hey there, I'm Sarah. I'm introducing my boyfriend Knox. He is a successful, curious, really vibrant and energetic traveling entrepreneur and lobbyist. He and his family grew up traveling, and everyone's very curious. Everyone loves to learn, and I think that's really what instilled his love of travel, obviously. And then it led him to studying abroad in Rome in college, where he found his love of food and cooking, which has inspired him to open a restaurant maybe in the next 15 years if we get there someday. Um, but growing up in Georgia, one of the family's favorite pastimes has been hunting, as you can see behind me. There are some evidence of that. But that being a hobby and him studying what he did in college, he decided to marry the two, and he started an association that he lobbies for. He's worked for 10 years doing that, and he's really, really proud of everything that he's been able to accomplish with that. He's been doing some really cool stuff, and of course his family is really proud. But on top of that, he gets to travel maybe 2 weeks out of every month, so he gets to keep enjoying traveling. And not have to pay for all of it, which is great. But he's really proud of everything that he's done, and he's proud that he can make some differences in people's lives, and I won't go into all of that. It would take forever. But now you know a little bit about Knox, and hopefully it inspires you to keep learning.